Hi friends, in this video we will see how to score more marks in law practically. Okay, I am not going to talk theorish, it's out and out practical. I'll tell you one basic question everyone will have is, sir, whether I need to do full subject 100% whether I need to do, or can I leave some chapters. This is point number one. Point number two, how many times I have to read, what I have to read, from where I have to read. This is point number two. Whether I have to write test also. If it's yes, how do I evaluate? This is point number three. First of all, to get more marks in law, you need to have some practical exposure. Articleship experience is bare necessary for it. I am talking about general. Out of say 100 people, whoever is having a very good articles experience, even though the level of study or preparation is little less compared to others, these people are scoring more. So articleship is having a very high potential to score more marks in law. I am talking about law. I am not talking about FR or costing or anything. For law. And that too, article experience towards company audit, company side. I am not talking about, see, people would have done extensive articles in individual tax filing. Sir, we did 200 individual tax filings, sir. Whether we can score more marks in law, how it is possible? It is not possible. But yes, those people can also score, but they have to put more effort in studies. So point number one is articles experience. Practically I am talking about. Point number two, the way we learn law, okay, it's like, no, we should enjoy law. It's not like, I have to study this, I have to study the kind of, no, it's not possible. You have to enjoy and learn. That possible is only because a teacher or some people will like theory. Like person like me, I hate costing, I hate SFM. I still don't know why I have read costing in my IPC as well as final. Okay, leave it. Okay, I don't want to talk negative about that. But because practically we are seeing costing also, but only this much, not a great level, because everything has been done by systems, etc. But wherever there is a law or interpretation or human efforts is involved, for example, we are going to argue with income tax people. I learned tax like that only. By arguing only I learned. I will say yes, okay, my senior manager will say no, my audit manager will say no, my partner will maybe supporting me, sometimes there will be a case law kind of. So we learn it by argument basically. All the laws, 3 laws like both this corporate law as well as taxation as well as IDT, I learned basically by arguing it. So that is the reason I score really. See, I scored 80 in my direct tax, okay, but I'm not practicing in direct tax, I'm practicing in law, because there are n number of people, according to me, they are practicing in direct tax, and I could have practiced in indirect tax, but I don't know, I am more inclined towards corporate world, corporate law. So the thing is like, no, practical experience, and the way you have to argue with the faculty, and you should start liking the subject. Okay, sir, I have practical experience also, I am having liking towards the subject also. What next? First, you should read a book, whichever book it may be. It may be my concept book or it may be some other author's book, because institute material, it's keep on changing. People have to have a proper track on it. Okay, that is the reason so many people for direct tax and law, they are not following institute material. But okay, institute material, I'm not talking anything about it. Okay, because there are so many amendments, it should be keep on updated there. Okay, anyway it will come in RTP, but in RTP if you read also, November 18 amendment will be there, May 19 amendment will be there, what should be included, what should be excluded. So regular updation should be there. That is the reason private authors are releasing their own book. See, anyway it's law only, it's Companies Act 2013 only. We are not writing our own law, we are also copy pasting from somewhere else only. Okay, but only thing is the style differs. Okay, every author's style differs, and scanners also, from where we are taking past examination question, RTP questions, mock test, we are putting in an orderly style, etc. So first we should understand the concept, then immediately after studying each and every section, you should put your knowledge into the practice. So immediately, sir, okay, sir, how to in my book, how I will arrange, generally I will tell you, every chapter have its own test your knowledge questions. It's like objective questions, it's not MCQ questions, it's objective questions. That means like one liners kind of. So we have to immediately test our knowledge, and immediately we have to go for ICI style of examination question and answers. So one chapter, section by sections questions, and section by sections question answers. See, section by section question is like only testing your knowledge in objective type, and another one is big set, big question and big answers, seriously like a ICI style. So each and every section has to be read like this, and by doing this we can easily understand what are the section having importance and what are the section is not having importance. The sections which is not having importance may not be tested till now, may be tested in future, that is also there. So it's not like I can omit that section also. So this is how you should read, and immediately after reading 3 chapters, take some random questions. Okay, take some random questions. So chapter number 1 question number 3, chapter number 1 question number 7, chapter number 1 question number 10, chapter number 2 question number 5, kind of you take a random questions. Then without seeing the answer, okay, close the answers, just read the question, start writing the answers by yourself. Out of say 100 questions you read, at least 10 questions you should start writing the answer without seeing the answer. And once you start writing the answer, till last question answer is over, you should not see any answer in between. Once 10 question is over, that too within the time it should be over, okay, then you take your whatever book or whatever question bank you are following with your answers, start correcting it. Then don't satisfy yourself, put as low marks as possible, because it should be in the style, because everyone will write the answer, but because in law all answer will be possible or not possible. If possible, what you have to do, if not possible, why it's not possible, that's all answer. But how it should be arrived, analysis, conclusion, okay, provisions, kind of, no, you have to write. So these things you have to correct. Okay, sir, whether section numbers need to be memorized? According to me, yes, obviously I am a CA final student. I should know law in and out. If 2.5 years is given to me for CA final, why can't I memorize section numbers? Sir, section number memorization is all difficult. It's not at all difficult. It's not at all difficult. You people are thinking it's difficult, okay? We can memorize all the section numbers within no matter time. Okay, that too after the portion cut, this producer company has been removed, this winding up 50% has been removed, this NCLT 50% has been removed, miscellaneous chapters has been removed. It's easy. I will tell you in and out, first section to last section we can memorize the section numbers. Okay, you can see all my previous videos, AKS KRISHNAN students performance you see in YouTube. Students will tell entire section numbers, even sometimes in reverse order, sometimes in forward order also. It's easy to memorize the section numbers also. Leave it. Okay, now the thing is, you have to read the concept, immediately test your knowledge in objective types, immediately start reading question answers. Okay, for students who like me, who are ready to take my books, there are 3 books I released. One is for concept, another one is for corporate law, another one is for economic law or allied laws. So 3 books. Concept is only all the concepts will be there for both corporate law as well as allied law or economic law. Concepts will be there with objective types of questions. Okay, then question bank 1 and question bank 2 for corporate law and economic law or allied law will have detailed question and detailed answers. I have given all the sample materials in my website. I will give you that website thing also here. Go download sample material, do test also. One test paper also I have given in that sample free. So one chapter you take, director chapter you take, read the concept book, then read the test your knowledge, write the objective questions, then take question bank, read the question bank completely, then take the question paper, complete it. I will tell you, this is the 4-step process. If you are doing this short, you can score a very good mark. And I am going to congratulate here 2 people who got exceptionally good marks by following these rules. One is Aishwarya from Chennai, she got 75 in law, and who is my student. And another one is Prarthana, she got 74 in law. So there are so many people, like 35 or 40 people got exemption, okay, who messaged me that they got exemption. So say I'm not going to tell each and everyone's name. I'm telling you the people who followed this 4-step properly, they got exemptions. Okay, so these 2 are exceptionally well beyond 70. That's why I told this name. So okay, see you. Thank you. Bye bye.